Okay, hi everyone. This is Mrs. Celia Shields, and I am going to sort of walk you through the assignment that we're going to be conducting in for the next couple of weeks. Essentially, start with the question: How has science changed our lives in the world that we live in? And so, we're going to be looking at a series of time periods, research, problems, projects, content, topics from an ethical perspective. And so I'm going to basically read you the description really quickly so that you are aware of all of these pieces. But essentially, the description is science discoveries, tools, and applications have often changed the way that we experience our existence. And so today, scientists need to collaborate and use various science disciplines to search for answers to current questions and challenges. So in this assignment, you will be required to generate a timeline with your peers to reflect and further understand the impact of science throughout history. You are provided with a list of events to research. We will be conducting this initial search of history as biologists and as chemists. And you will basically need to work in groups of 2 to 3 students per group. And so make sure that you sign up for the research topic. And again, in an effort to make sure that all are involved in this process, I do not want any more than 2 to 3 people per group. The constraints for the assignment are as follows. You will be selecting a topic to research. So if you were to click on this link, it will lead you to a spreadsheet. And the spreadsheet has topics or keywords or events that have some biological, chemical, or physical component to them. For example, Dolly the sheep, July 5th, 1996. Let's say, again, you've selected 3 individuals. You're going to write down the class period. And then you're going to be looking at information on this topic in terms of the time period, 1996, from a chemistry or a biology perspective, or a physics perspective, if you feel that is more appropriate. Once you've selected your topic and you've signed up for your topic, what you're then going to do is you're going to use different library resources. Mrs. Costa will be coming in on tomorrow, Wednesday, May 15th, to talk to you about the available resources at the library for you to conduct this type of work. She is going to be sharing a link with you with all of the topics, all of the resources available at the library, and how you can access those resources to further develop your knowledge on a biochemistry ethical project. You're going to be looking at whatever topic you select from a 3-question lens, and those 3 questions are as follows. What happened? So what are the different perspectives or viewpoints of your topic? When did it happen? Why is it important? Once you've collected that information, you will produce a combined timeline that demonstrates your understanding of the significance of the event. That timeline is going to be housed in room 303. And essentially what you're going to do is you're going to create 2 components for your topic. You're going to be creating a graphic that is representative of the event, the time period, or your project. That graphic will be attached to your timeline, which is again is going to be hanging in room 303. You're going to place that in addition to placing that graphic, and it shouldn't be any larger. It shouldn't be much larger than an 8.5 by 11 graphic. In addition to that, you're also going to, within that 8.5 and 11, include information on the visual timeline that will be provided for you. So you need a graphic and you need a summary that answers the 3 questions listed above. You will also present your work to a larger audience via a share-out session within the class. And so you will be given time to talk to the class about your findings regarding your topic. Once we complete that, students and teachers, we're going to be selecting a couple of case studies from your initial share-out session, and then we're going to use those case studies to basically collect as a class more information in the form of primary literature. And what that means is research literature on the topic at hand. You're going to be able to discuss the topic from the following focus areas. Once we get to a deeper understanding of this topic, we're going to focus on from a historical, a math, a science, and an art design perspective. You're going to have some deadlines. May 17th is going to be your deadline for demonstrating your graphic to me. May 20th is going to be the time period where you're going to be sharing the type of information that you've gathered for your project, again, to me. And then on May 23rd, you are going to share out information regarding your research topic to the entire class. Again, providing information as to why you selected this graphic, and then information answering the 3 questions listed above. May 27, we're going to have selection for topics to use for the Socratic seminar, where again, Mrs. Costa's information tomorrow will be extremely important in developing a deeper understanding of topics of interest for the class. So I hope this was helpful. I hope you understand what the purpose of my assignment is. This is supposed to be a chill assignment, meaning that it should be something that from that list that you find interesting, and it should be something that you research with the intention, again, of really learning for the love of learning. It does count as part of your 4th quarter grade, but it shouldn't be something that is painful for you to do at this point. Instead, it should be exciting to have to learn or to learn on a topic of your choice. All right. So see you next week, and I hope this was helpful to you.